I want to say a big thank you to my YouTube subscribers for subscribing to this YouTube channel. You guys have really done an amazing job. That's why I want to give a reward to my subscribers so that you can make money right this moment after this video. So if you are new to this channel, make sure that you hit the subscription button and tap the icon notification bell so that you receive and get notified anytime I post a video. So in this particular video, I want to give this reward to my subscribers. I have a powerful parenting niche that is high in demand with search volume. I want to give to you guys. I'm supposed to publish books on that niche so that I will make money for myself only, but I decided to share this niche with other people and also this keyword you can use for your title so that you make money with this niche and with this title. Okay, because this title is high in demand, it's a lesser search volume. You can go into it, you can use you can publish two books under it with different pen names so that you can make enough money for yourself. So let's dive into this video. Let's go to our Kiwi browser because Kiwi browser is our research browser with many extensions installed. If you don't know how to install extension, go back to my previous video and watch how to install extension. Let's go to incognito mode. So let's go to amazon.com. So this niche, if you dive into this niche, I was doing research yesterday, then I saw this niche. I wanted to publish it only, and I said no, I have to share it to my subscribers so that you can also make money from this particular niche. I'm trying to log in. I'm sorry for that. But make sure that when you go into this niche, you use a good keyword too, a profitable keyword. Sorry, still loading. Maybe it's network issues. Let me refresh this page. Let's refresh it. What's happening? Maybe I'll pause this video. I'm going to pause this video. Okay. So this is the website. It's still loading. Let's check whether it's okay. It's not on desktop site. Let's put it on desktop site so that we can see everything we are doing. What is happening? Network is really terrible. Okay. So the first thing I need you to do is for you to change the delivery to US delivery, like to deliver the product. Just change the location. That's the location. Tap on it. Let's change the location to US location. Network is really terrible this time around. Maybe I will go to post this video. Welcome back. So let's change the location to US location. Let's change it to US location. You can go to Google and search for postal code for US, but I already know this one. Click on apply. Oh my god, what's happening? Okay, let's go back. Okay, it have already changed. It have changed. So I need you to go to this all here. You should change it. People normally use Kindle for their research, but I myself I love using books. So let's go to books. See this niche I'm talking about. This niche will make a lot of. After this video, I'm going to publish book on this niche. So make sure you publish also so that you make money from this niche. See this niche. This niche is all about parenting. So you can see parenting, angry, blah. So this is the niche, and I need you to know something about this niche. Make sure that you check for trademarks first before you publish. You understand me? Check for trademarks before you publish. You can see almost all these books here are making massive sales. All the books are making massive sales. So this is your time and this is your chance to dominate this niche. You can use different pen name, then publish like 2 or 3 books with the same, but you can change something like the title, but make sure that you use it as a, you can use it as a title or you can use it as a keyword, but make sure you check for trademarks, okay, before you dominate this niche. I'm just waiting for my Titan quick view. You can see the search result. The search result is 311. That's low. Yeah, that's low. 311. I'm waiting for the Titan quick view so that will show you the new score. The new score. So make sure that you make your research well before you publish on this niche. Make your research very very well before you publish on this. You can see that this is the new score is 77. That's very high, and it's also profitability. Okay, so make sure that you dominate this niche. Publish books on this niche. Make your research very very well, and also make a good converting beautiful good looking cover so that you will your cover will be more beautiful than those ones here. And to my new subscribers, make sure that you hit the icon notification bell so that you receive notification whenever I post a video. And thank you guys for subscribing to this YouTube channel.